Hundreds of people from the community came out to catch a glimpse of what could be one of the worst crimes ever recorded on St. Lucia's.
I thought it was police. So when I look on the road, I see no police vehicle. So I still heard about another 5-shot leak again. So I asked myself, what's going there? I ain't seen nobody screaming. I ain't seen nobody running by the house. So I stayed by the window for about a good 15 to 20 minutes. Then after that, I had a single shot burst, and then I had nothing again. So I went back and see this morning when my wife went there and checked. When I heard her, she screamed. I see maybe something wrong. When I went there, I saw 3 fellas get shot and killed inside there.
Yes, my people, I'm back again. It's me, the great countryman. And it brings great pain and bullshit to me to be talking about this shit again. And this have to deal with the crime minister, because at one point, I nominated Pierre as a crime minister. But as I do my investigation more and more, it's clear to me that somebody else is the crime minister, and that person is also the I would say the president or the mayor of Bacatel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. Them other flag of the bitch and fag. Ride out the young with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step with the shoes of puppy. You might see him on the news, we make no stop it. Him love step, him can't settle him feet. Green Dublin, have called police. St. Lucia, people them a bar for peace. Down at Trinidad, president's a fucking beast. Fucking beast, fucking beast. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. Them other flag of the bitch and fag.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Dwayne James.
According to the way Dwayne was living his life, I was expecting anytime somebody will just roll on him and kill whatever they get there. Because even, I remember it's a good 3 months I was talking to my wife, and I told my wife she must talk to Dwayne, because the kind of way Dwayne living and how he always get in trouble with people. I say one day, even one of us might be paying for that.
Now, this, you know who that was? That was a man talking about his 2 sons them who get killed in our house. Okay? And his 2 sons them was troublemaker, and they were in a house with couple other people, and some masked man come in and shoot them up, because like the father was explaining right here, that they're scared because they know say his son was troublemaker and was doing a lot of stuff. But that's not the point. The point is, me countryman, me I go help the police them solve that case here. Because me know who do that crime there. And this crime happened like 15 years ago. A very, very long time. Let's go. Now, before me go back to that, me have to go back to this. You remember this video? And I did this video and I talk about Marlon. He is the mayor of Bacatel, and he has a serious criminal network. You will be surprised what this guy has been doing since He was a young kid, you know. From this man in his teens, he has never went to school, never did anything, but yet still him have a lot of money. Now, you hear them video right there where the people them a talk about, right? And I look at this picture, I wanna read it. Alright, me I show you something. Now, I did a video, this video right here, a couple days ago. Bakatel Hitmen, they have free run, where is the police? And some information in this video was a little bit off, but the gist and the overall video was correct. Now, me I go clear up this and me I go add some more things, but remember, you see the two triple murder up there? Earlier I wanna look on, me I will come back and tell you now who responsible for that. But we are gonna clear up some more things. Listen, we are talking about the Prime Minister of Bakatel.
I can't say nothing. I just cannot say nothing. Because I feel in my children pain. And I'm just next to them there and they can't call me. None of them cannot call me. My children just die like that.
Police suspect a high-powered weapon was used in the commission of the crime. They say the young men were well known to law enforcement and had been the subject of investigation in a number of high-profile cases. Even with their tainted past, still police are trying to determine who killed the three young men and why. Clinton Reynolds.
Now, in the video yesterday, I said Beam was involved. He wasn't involved. It's this little sucker right here, Poyo, so brother. Him is the one who shot Sean. And after him shot Sean, then Kowali went and finished off Sean. Now, all of this stem from the little vibes with the shooting up and Sean take with the gun from Kowali. And all of them youth here where we are talking about is backed by Marlon. Now, Kowali, that's an area in St. Lucia. But the man we named Kowali, he got that name from when he was building and working on Marlon house. Now Marlon moved from Bakatel to Kowali. So while they were working on his house, that's how Kowali got his name. Wow. Now, me I telling you something. As bad as these guys say they are, you know Marlon still backs them up and kick them up all I want ya. Poyo. Marlon no stop box and kick them up, you know. Now, if me, a bad man, and I press the trigger, which pussy can box and kick me out? Me are not even gunman right now, and a pussy couldn't do that. And uno of Marlon, I treat uno like dog, and I send uno out to do crime. Uno a big pussy. Now, you used to have a guy in Bakatel, him name Hit, and he is crippled because so gang member friend them went and shoot up the youth on the order of Prime Minister, which is Marlon. Now, according to my intel, said that the youth Hit him gave up somebody or someone to the ops, and when Marlon heard that, he gave the order. Now, Hit is crippled and living in St. Lucia. Now, believe me, there is so many more story upon our brother here, information. It made me head spin. Me I go actually say this. Out of all of the Don man them in a St. Lucia. That one here, him take the cake. You see him, would have definitely freed him. And stay out of that brother here way. The president of Bacatel. Let me explain to you why I say that. You remember the time when him and Bolo have a incident on a boat. Must box and kick up Bolo, cause Marlon love box up him bridging them, you know. And Bolo end up sending goons them in the same day go shoot up Bacatel. And I think a 16 or 17-year-old little boy get killed or hurt. Now, why is he the president? Him take care of the whole of him gangster them. Now, fat boy did shoot up a bar, mash up a man's vehicle and do all sort of fuckery. And Marlon pay money to make that slide and fix up back the man car. I saw him operate. Him personally, him will do things by himself. Him no need no man to do nothing dangerous, boy. And my intel tell me say, listen, him have enough police on him payroll. And sad to say, him do enough killing, or if him not do it, him dey behind it. Like my intel tell me, them 3 boy they 15 years ago, them say him dey behind it. And whole heap more. Very scary guy. One more thing before I go, guys. But I realize this has to be a part 1, because there's so much. Now, this guy here, Crime Minister, Marlon, from Bacatel. For some reason, he has been getting government contracts. And a lot of people speaking out on it, saying there should be a talk show to highlight these criminals getting contracts. Now, there is a contractor by the name of Soyo, and he has aligned himself with that contractor, and for some reason, that contractor is well connected because he gets all the contract, and it seems like he subs it out to Marlon, who is very productive and immobilize all him crew them and do him off to do. So it's just a little bit concerning how the government delivers contract. Is it a fair system where other contractors and other workmen can actually get these contracts, or it's just given to people who align themselves with these super criminals, super gangsters? Now, I am gonna close it off right here, because what's really kind of crazy, the whole of this guy here, Crime Minister, crime, has been documented, you know, on news clips right across, because there have to be a part 2 and a part 3, because there's so much stuff. Listen, my name is Countryman.